We need to valorate music and arts intelligence the same way we valorate maths and science intelligence. Let's start by saying that there's a theory called the multiple intelligences, where people can have visual, kinesiologic, etc. types of intelligence. Now, we live in a society where only the smart people are the ones that know about math, about medicine, about anything related to physics, chemistry, or even like architecture. But when we see someone that is really, really good at drawing, acting, playing an instrument, writing poetry, anything like that, we only say, oh no, that's just a hobby. They have to get a real profession or they will die of hunger. And we shouldn't treat talents or even lifestyles like that. Because let's start by saying that art itself is a form of expression. A lot of people use art in their different ways to express the way their emotions act on themselves, or even a situation that is going on and it's not being looked into enough. Now, the people that sometimes relate to art or make their own art, they want to express something to the public they're trying to get, right? So, when we don't take seriously the type of material that we are being given, well, we lose the message. We lose the complete intention that this person has done the art for. And now, we are only focusing on people that tend to be excellent, that tend to success, only because they know maths and a lot of formulas that they are going to forget in some days. We actually have to look into people that can express emotions without telling them directly, even if it's fake crying, an emotional poem about not being in love with someone anymore, or even a movie about a war that is happening right now and it's trying to give us consciousness of what is happening. So, in my opinion, people who make art can be way more intelligent than people that choose to be lawyers, engineers, doctors, physicians, scientists, because they are doing their own way of art. They are transforming their lives in order to the other people to comprehend, right? So, if we really, really want to let artists have a successful life, we have to let them take their space. We have to let them talk, act, write, even just think. And we have to pay attention to what they are thinking or what they are creating, because that's even way smarter than knowing how to solve a puzzle, a math problem. So when I say that artists can be smarter than physicians, engineers, etc., it's because they have to take their vision of the world in a way that people can comprehend and can get a message of their own. And we also have to really value their art, because indirectly we live among art all the time. We listen to music, we watch movies, we watch series, we go to the theater, we go to art expositions, and we say, oh my god, that's really pretty. That looks really good aesthetically. But please, just take that pretty image and try to focus it on something more critical. And maybe you can start supporting that artist, and by supporting the artist, you can make them more visible for more people to know them. And that makes the artist way successful and can spread the message they want to give to way more people. And also, I think people that think math intelligence is superior than art intelligence tend to be really bad people toward artists, because That's not a real office, that's not a real profession. What do you think you're doing with your life, right? So let's please value our artists or actors or painters or writers, because we live among art every day, even if we don't realize. So please take that in account. Not everyone has the same type of intelligence. And just because they can solve a math problem, it doesn't mean that they're not smart. Maybe they're smart in anything else, and we may want to really explore the talent they have and let them be happy. Thank you.